Hello everyone, this is Rimsha from St. Raphael's Higher Secondary School, Indore, sharing my views on the topic boys versus girls. Does that matter? So, in today's modern and growing era, gender difference and gender equality are not so rare topics to be discussed about. And differentiating genders on the basis of many differences is in the rage of fire in the typical Indian society. अरे देखो, वो लड़की होकर पूरा दिन काम पर रहती है, घर वालों ने ना बहुत छूट दे दिया लगता है. वो आदमी होकर घर के काम कर रहा है, उसको ना जचता ये सब. बाहर चार लोग क्या बोलेंगे? And that चार लोग are still controlling the lives of many teenagers and youth of India. So connecting to the topic, what is gender equality? The most important thing which our country needs to understand that gender equality does not mean women empowerment. It actually means providing rights to men as well as women and that they be given equal freedom. So I have a question ki differentiating genders on some basis, will it make a difference? Right from childhood, the idea of gender difference is being stuffed in the young minds. It's okay because they should have the basic knowledge, but jab wo ye sunte hai, you are a girl, you have to be fair, soft and sweet. You are a boy, you have to be rough and tough, okay? You will be the one taking the family business forward. Don't let our guard down. But actually, such stereotyping does not matter at all. Gender stereotyping does not hold any promising future in the prevailing times. The literate people in today's world should understand that they are nobody to stop anyone. लक्ष्मण रेखा खींचने से पहले उन्हें अपने आप से पूछना चाहिए कि क्या वे लक्ष्मण जैसे हैं? A girl can take the family business forward and a boy can dance and cook and take care of the household. A differentiation between both should not be on the basis of gender, but on the basis of what contributions they have made or will make for their society. Hence, I got my answer now that gender differentiation does not make a difference. A human soul has no gender and has a religion of humanity. Both genders are required to advance the population and the generation. If a man is a vehicle, then a woman is its wheel. Because life is not a competition between boys and girls, instead, it's a collaboration.